Capitalk Sports Update with Ngoni.
It's a beautiful morning to you. I am Gwadizashi Mtasa with latest in sport. Coming up, FA Cup fixtures on tonight with Manchester City in action against Luton Town. Details shortly, but first in your local sport. We'll start with football, where the Premier Soccer League has postponed the start of the 2024 season by a further week to the 9th of March, citing the non-completion of renovations at some of the venues. The season, which was scheduled to start this weekend, in a statement, the PSL said the postponement has been necessitated by the need to ensure that we have safe, secure and adequate venues to host Castle Lager Premier Soccer League matches. The clash between Highlanders and Dynamo's headlines at the Week 1 fixtures. To cricket, Zimbabwe A will play visiting English county side Durham in their second three-day match at Takashinga Sports Club in Highfield. Durham easily won the first match last week in dominant fashion, and Zim A will be looking to improve their batting, which is what caused that heavy loss. The match begins at 10 a.m. In international sport, we talk EPL with the fixture held on last night. Gerald Bowen scored a hat-trick as West Ham beat Brentford 4-2 to secure the Hammers' first win since December. After the game, Gerald Bowen was impressed by his performance.
Incredible. I've had a couple of times where I've had 2 goals and never got that hat-trick. So to do it, and of course it was on my mind at half-time. The goals are quite quick after one another, so you're always wanting to score that third goal, and credit to Mo for the ball in the box, and a header which I don't familiarise myself with it too much, but they all count, and like I said, first match ball, especially winning the game was a really proud moment for me.
In selected FA Cup 5th round matches on tonight, Bournemouth are in action against Leicester City at 9:30 p.m. Newcastle away to Championship side Blackburn at 9:45 p.m. Luton Town are in action against Manchester City at 10 p.m. Ahead of the City game, boss Pep Guardiola says Jack Grealish will return to his starting lineup on a regular basis when his performance improves.
A little bit late, but the last month Jack is back. In terms of many things, and the moment that's why I play in an important game in Champions League in Copenhagen. So otherwise, playing Champions League when you make about minutes, you can be out. So, but unfortunately, it was set back for 10-15 minutes, but recover quick and he's back.
Grealish started 41 games for City in last season's treble-winning campaign, including the FA Cup and Champions League finals, but has however started only 19 games this season, including 7 in the Premier League. Elsewhere, Everton's penalty for breaching Premier League financial rules has been reduced from 10 points to 6 after an appeal. The club were immediately docked 10 points in November for breaking profit and sustainability rules in the 3-year period to 2021-2022. The reduction lifts Everton from 17th to 15th position, although the club is facing another possible points deduction. And finally, an investigation into Red Bull team principal Chris Horner for alleged inappropriate behavior is likely to be resolved before the start of the Bahrain Grand Prix this week. Horner was placed under investigation in February following an allegation of inappropriate behavior being made against him by a female colleague. And that's your sport for this hour. Back again in the next hour with another sports update.
Capitalk Sports Update with Ngoni.